Hi and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo and today this is not anime makeup look, this is not Toots and Tunes, this is not anything from a series. This is just me paying homage to a friend. Earlier this week I did a look based off my friend Ayman's subculture and Fenty Beauty look that I fell in love with. And today this is just a double liner, double wing. I'm just like in heaven for how this looks. Oh my gosh, I really do love how this turned out. I know it looks like kind of weird at the same time. I just love it. I will gladly do something like this again with some other colors maybe. So again, Ayman /Ayman MUA. You can find him on Instagram, Facebook. I'm going to have his stuff linked down below. But this is a look that he did, and just kind of a little backstory. He and I had a conversation where I actually checked it again. He said that he was going to recreate one of my looks. I'm like, well, if you're going to do that, I'm going to recreate one of yours. And I fell in love with two, and that's the two looks that I did this week. So, yeah, I really enjoyed this, and I had so much fun doing it. I'm going to stop rambling so you get into this video. But, yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyes and my base for my eyeshadow. And I actually set my primer using less from the Revolution Matte Flawless Matte 2 palette. I used this shade right here. And I actually got this palette a while back because I was looking for cool tones, and this is cool tone. And there's some warm tones, but it's mainly like neutrals and cools, so it's a good neutral palette. I don't really have like a neutral cool palette. So going into the crease, I'm going to take the shade right here, Master. I'm going to take that and put that just above the crease on a fluffy brush. Okay, that's not actually doing anything, so I'm going to go into the shade right next to it, right here, Accurate, and put that just above my crease. Okay, because those shades are not really pure, I think it's because these are so hard pressed that the pigment is not showing up that much. But I'm going to go into the shade, where is it? I'm going to dip into Will and Known, these two right here, and run that just below the crease. Okay, now that we have those in, I'm going to take the shade Notch, which is the slightly warm brown, and we're going to fluff that in the same area. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm just going to blend. So now you have like a mauvey brown crease. I'm just going to deepen it up just a slight bit more for my personal liking with using the shade Vintage very lightly on the Sephora. So for the rest of the lid, I'm going to be taking this Anastasia eyeshadow, and let me see what color it is, I cannot remember the name, in 10K. So this shade right here, 10K, and place that on the lid. And this is just for my personal liking because Ayman had more of like a more of a taupe color on, but I don't have a taupe metallic. So we're going to be using a very pale gold. Quickly just blending that together. And now I'm going to do something off camera because A, I'm probably gonna mess this up. B, I just want you to see what I'm going for. And it is this. It is a double wing, kinda. I don't know what to call it, but it's gorgeous. And pray for me. I'm gonna go do this off of camera, which is just, I'm going to use my Urban Decay razor sharp liner in Bump. I'm going to do that and pray for me that I don't die. Okay, and we're back, and I actually was able to do the eyeliner. I love how this looks. Yes, my eyes do kind of swallow it up because my eyes are weird, but I got to stand out. And of course, because this eyebrow goes slightly higher, this one goes up higher than this one, so it's funny, and I love that actually. And yeah, here we are with the rest of the face. I actually used M-Resi highlighter. I'm not that impressed. Let me try with a different brush actually, because I know everyone loves this, so let me try with a different brush. Okay. Okay. So the brush I was using was not that good for this formula. Now I know. I was gonna say, like, I think I got a dud, I'm gonna return this, but no, actually, that's gorgeous. Heading back into this matte palette, I'm going to take that darker brown and the warmer brown, which were Notch and Vintage, these two right here, and I'm going to run them on the outer third and slightly in the crease. Okay, so that was Vintage, the darker one, and I'm going to take Notch and smoke that under the rest of the eye. Okay, so I went too low on this eye, so I'm going to go back to a smaller brush to take care of the other eye. Now to blend. For the waterline, I'll be taking this Rimmel Wonder Ombre eyeliner, and I'm going to start with the purple side and line, and then go with the Transformer shade on top. Real quickly, I'm going to be taking that same highlighter and just tapping that lightly on the inner corner. And now we're going to move on to the lips. Okay, so for lips today, I'm going to start off by taking my Wet n Wild gel liner in Gone Burgundy and outline my lips. And the reason I went in with this color first is because I actually asked Ayman like what color lip he did. He said he used a dark liner with a mauve. And today I'm going to be using Clair's Matte Addiction Liquid Lipstick in Boy Toy. Now that that's dry, I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Liquid Lipstick Crayon in Night Mauves and apply that to the center. Now you can leave it like this. I kind of like it like this, but I do want to add something on top. I'll be taking the CoverGirl Colorlicious Colorlicious lip gloss in the shade Gimme Guava. I'm going to place that on top. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are at the finished look, and I feel slightly crazy, but I love it. Honestly, I love how this turned out. I really do. I'm kind of freaking out. Because this wing thing going on scared me so much. But I'm so glad I finally did it. It's actually, you just need to follow your orbital bone and it's gonna be easy. So if you just follow your natural crease line, like the natural bone of your crease, it's going to be easy to do. Oh my gosh, I love how this turned out. Again, thank you to Ayman for inspiring me with this look. Again, all his information will be linked down below. Like his Instagram, his Facebook, like he is a queen. I love him. Anyway, I don't know what else to say except thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button. Otherwise, you won't be notified whenever I release new videos. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say except thank you for watching. Again, please go check out Ayman. He is very kind and loving, and thank you for watching. Bye.